Okay, hey guys, there's a CN southbound coming. Gate's gonna be down in a second. Here comes the train. How about we roll Abram's window down?
What?
His window.
I will when I see it.
It might stop. Fuck me. Nope. Nope. There's a truck. There's a train that's coming. Let's just say I'm sure it's a CN. Eagle States. Alright, is it coming? Wait. No. I still want to. Fine. Quick wait, okay? I can go behind the car. Okay? Quit acting like that. Alright. I can't see it. I'm not gonna wait. Fine, I'll go. Hold on. Comes. It might stop. What's that doing? It comes. It is CN. I'm not gonna leave. Here it comes. I can't tell. Ooh, truck brains. Comes. Going towards Richmond. Yes! Train, awesome. Nice truck trains too. Oh, it's great. Yes. Same train. Well, that's it. No limit. Maybe we'll see the same train at Richmond. We will. We will. If you know, if we see the same train at Richmond, it's this one. Or if we see the same one, yeah. If we see it, yes. Well, if you see it again, then I better be lucky. That would have been 2 videos of this train thing. Let's see, okay? We'll stop at it. Get lost, yeah. Anyway, no, we're at Richmond. Yeah, we're at Richmond. No, we're at Richmond on Driveway, okay? Turn on. Train, train on. Long one. It's here. Okay, here. CN. Yeah, but why is it eastbound coming? But we saw this one soon. Alright, so I'm happy I got to keep playing. Finally, guys. Okay. Long thing. That tight again. How are you gonna know? We have to wait till it comes. I always know. I bet. Back. Got to keep train.
I don't know what.
It's asking.
Alright, go.
Yeah, I do know. I know that. Yeah, I do nice asking. Nice.
I make a video.
Hey! Why can't I hold
Alright, I'm still, hold on.
Why can't I hold
Alright, it's open now.
I know you're trying to hold one and
Oh, shit.
Mom.
Dang, Mom.
It's cat was on my side, so I grabbed the hat. We're not sure. Finding all the
Alright.
No. Yeah,
Car
because I
wash.
paid with my money.
Stupid car wash.
No, then we don't share the hand.
Sorry.
No.
Now we have to
because I
stop.
bought it with my money.
Now stop. What? Really? You have to stop here?
Yeah. So if we don't share the stuffed animals, you don't share the hangers. Well, you don't want to share the stuffed animals. Well, because you want, because you don't want to. You don't want to share them. Yeah, I do. Then why won't you let me hold them?
How you going, huh?
Yeah. No,
Turn off the camera.
No, I want to film clean on the freeway.
What?
On my side.
Huh?
You're not recording, are you?
He fell on
What the hell are
my
you talking
side.
about?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I want. Where are we going?
Don't. Mom, tell him. Tell him to delete all the videos he takes of us.
Where are we going?
Where he hears us or not. If he hears us or sees us, tell him.
I'll stop for now.